वेलकम। आज हम एक न्यू चैप्टर करेंगे 11th चैप्टर जिसका नाम है मेट्रिक मेजर्स। इस चैप्टर में हम सीखेंगे मेट्रिक मेजर्स ऑफ लेंथ, मास एंड कैपेसिटी, एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ मेट्रिक मेजर्स एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन ऑफ मेट्रिक मेजर्स। तो मेट्रिक मेजर्स ऑफ लेंथ, मास एंड कैपेसिटी। इन स्टैंडर्ड थर्ड हमने सीखा था यूनिट्स ऑफ लेंथ आ किलोमीटर, मीटर एंड सेंटीमीटर, units of mass a kilogram and gram, unit of capacity a liter and milliliter। यहाँ पे हम थोड़े और इंट्रिकेट वाले डिटेल्ड यूनिट्स ऑफ मेजरमेंट सीखेंगे। तो यूनिट्स ऑफ लेंथ सबसे बड़ा है किलोमीटर, फिर है हेक्टोमीटर, फिर है डेकामीटर, फिर है मीटर विच इज़ द बेसिक यूनिट, देन वी हैव डेसीमीटर, सेंटीमीटर एंड मिलीमीटर। तो मीटर का वैल्यू है 1, डेकामीटर उससे 10 टाइम्स ज़्यादा है, फिर हेक्टोमीटर 100 टाइम्स एंड किलोमीटर 1000 टाइम्स। एंड जब हम राइट में जाते हैं तो मीटर के राइट में जाते हैं तो हम डिवाइड करेंगे। सो मीटर से डेसीमीटर इज़ 1 डिवाइड बाई 10, देन हियर इट इज़ 1 डिवाइड बाई 100 एंड मिलीमीटर इज़ 1 डिवाइड बाई 1000। अभी मास में भी सेम थिंग है एक्सेप्ट मीटर के बगैर ग्राम है एंड कैपेसिटी में ग्राम के बदले लीटर है। तो जैसे ही हमने सीखा था जब हम कन्वर्जन करते हैं तो अगर हमने बोला है कि कन्वर्ट 100 किलोमीटर्स इनटू 10 डेकामीटर्स या वैसे बोला है तो हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। इसलिए when we have to move from left to right we will multiply, and then when we have to move from right to left we will divide. Units of length. In metric system, the units of length are millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, decameter, hectometer and kilometer. The smallest is millimeter and the biggest is kilometer. So 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter, 10 centimeters is equal to 1 decameter and so on. So if 10 of the smallest, अगर इसका 10 है so it's equal to 1 centimeter, अगर इसका 10 है so it's equal to 1 decimeter and so on. तो अभी हम सीखेंगे कन्वर्जन इनटू स्मॉलर यूनिट्स। सपोज वी नीड टू कन्वर्ट 2 किलोमीटर्स इनटू मीटर्स। सो 1 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी मीटर्स? इट्स इक्वल टू, लेट्स काउंट जम्प्स 1, 2 and 3. So is it 3 jumps? When it's 3 jumps it means we have to add 3 zeros to it. So 1 kilometer is equal to 100,000 meters. So 2 kilometers will be equal to 2 into 1000, which is equal to 2000. Same way, convert 5 decimeters into millimeters. Now how many millimeters is 1 decimeter? It's 100 because there's spaces of two sections. So 2 sections means 2 zeros and that means 100. So then we'll do 5 decimeter will be equal to 5 into 100. Conversion into bigger units. When we go from right to left, we will have to divide. So convert 900 hectometers into kilometers. Now hectometer is to the right of kilometer, and when we jump to the kilometer section, we have to divide by 10. So if we are dividing by 10, 900 divided by 10 will be equal to 90. Same way, decimeters into decameters, the difference is 100. So therefore we will divide by 100. राइट नाउ आपको थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट लगेगा बट जैसे आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो फिर और ईजी होगा। अभी यूनिट्स ऑफ मास एंड लेंथ में सेम ही है, बस एक्सेप्ट ऑफ एम विच स्टैंड्स फॉर मीटर, यहाँ पे जी होगा विच स्टैंड्स फॉर ग्राम। एंड कैपेसिटी में जी या एम नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे एल होगा क्योंकि द बेसिक यूनिट इज़ लीटर्स ओवर हियर। बाकी सारे कन्वर्जन आर द सेम. So let's convert these. Now for this whole table which is given, there can be a shortcut which we can use. So we can remember the first initials of these words and we can use K, H, D, M, D, C, M. So we can make an acronym for this: K, H, D, M, D, C, M. So we'll write the whole thing over here. So it will be easier for us to learn. So we'll write K, H, Then we have DA because it's decameter. Then we have M, which is the basic one. Then we have decimeter, so DE. Then we have C, and last we have M, which is millimeter. Here, now this will be much easier for us to learn. So 2 kilometers into decameters. Now kilometers is over here and decameters is over here. So when we move from here to here, we will multiply into 100. So therefore it's written 2 into 100, which is equal to 200. Now here, grams into milligrams. So grams, which means the central unit. So here we can write M slash G slash L, which stands for meter, gram or liter. So now we have grams over here. So grams into milligrams, we will have to multiply by 1000. So we'll write 1000 over here. Next, 15 into 1000. 15 into 1000 is equal to 15,000. So we'll write 15,000 over here. Now, 50 grams into centigrams. So grams is over here and centigrams is over here. And the difference between them two is 100. So we'll write into 100 here. And then 50 into 100 is equal to 50,100. Or you can say 5,000. Next, 22 kilometers into liters. 22 kiloliters into liters. So here L stands for liters and kiloliters is the first unit. We have to convert it into liters, and the difference here is 1000 again. So we'll write 1000, 22 into 1000. Now 22 into 1000 is equal to 22,000. Now next we will write the same thing which we had written here down. So let's move here. Let's convert the following. So 4,500 millimeters into centimeters. Here now what we are doing is we are converting millimeters into centimeters. That means we are moving from right to left. So when we move from right to left, we have to always divide. So now millimeters into centimeters, the difference is 10. So now they have divided by 10, which is equal to 4,500 divided by 10 is equal to 450. 6,000 liters into hectoliters. So liters is over here and hectoliters is over here. So that means there are two jumps, therefore 100. We have to divide by 100. We'll write 100 over here and the answer is 60. $4,000 decimeters into decameters. Decimeters is over here and decameters is over here. That means two jumps, therefore 100. So 4,000 divided by 100 is equal to 40. Milligrams into decigrams. Milligrams into decigrams conversion requires two jumps. Therefore 100 again. So we'll write 100 over here and 2000 divided by 100 is equal to 20. Here are some solved examples in what we had learned. So 1550 meters into kilometers and meters. Now here 1550 meters cannot be converted into one definite whole number of a kilometer. That's why we have to add meters too. So 1000 meters make 1 kilometer. So in 1550, there's only 1 kilometer, which is, we can break down 1550 into 100,000 meters plus 550 meters. 1000 meters plus 550 meters. Now 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer and 550 meters is equal to 550. So that means 1550 is equal to 1 kilometer and 550 meters. Same way here, 2754 decigrams to decagrams and decigrams. So 100 decigrams is equal to 1 decagram. And when we break down this, we get 27,000 decigrams plus 54 decigrams. So that means 27 decagrams plus 54 decigrams. Here is another assignment where we will do two sums. So 9605 millimeters into liters and milliliters. So now milliliters and liters difference is 1000. So here that means there are 9 liters and 605 milliliters. If we break down, we get 9000 milliliters and 605 milliliters, and then 9000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter with 605 milliliters. So now we have 806 centiliters into deciliters and centiliters. Now 1 deciliter is equal to 10 centiliters. So deciliters is bigger, and therefore 806 centiliters is equal to 800 centiliters plus 6 centiliters. So therefore this can be broken down to 80 deciliters and 6 centiliters.